Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the McAfee Antivirus protection tool. Okay, so you probably wasn't aware, if it's the first Samsung phone you're owning, maybe you wasn't aware that the device actually has an antivirus protection tool implemented into the OS. And the reason you're probably not aware is because there's no actual application for it. As you can see, there's no McAfee application. However, it is on here. So I'm going to show you how to turn it on. So guys, I think this is really cool that McAfee is partnering with Samsung. It's to help protect consumers' personal data from online threats. So yeah, I'm going to take you into the steps of how to turn it on. So just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says battery and device care. And here you'll see device protection. Oops. So select battery and device care. And then here you will see device protection. So it's off by default. So here, all you have to do is just turn it on. And then it explains, for your security device, protection will scan for issues each time you install a new app. This may make app installation slower, but it allows you to block the installation of apps with security issues. So go ahead and turn it on. And now it's on. And all you have to do from here is just run a scan. And depending on how much applications and data you have on the phone, it really shouldn't take long if you don't have much on the phone. I'm also going to mention that having this enabled all the time, it will help to drain the battery because it's going to be running in the background. So just do bear that in mind. Anyway, the scan has finished and no threats found. So my phone is virus free at the moment, and I hope it will stay that way. Anyway, that's it for the video. If it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one, guys. I'm out. Deuces.